blow. You have to just blow the air from your mouth. It's not her, it's yes. So today we are going to learn the letters R and M. Letters R and M. Yes. First we will go with letter R. So the name of the letter is R. And the action goes like this. And the action goes like this. See, you all have seen the little, you have seen a puppy, isn't it? See, and if the puppy is very angry, what will be the reaction of the puppy? It will bite its teeth, isn't it? It will bite its teeth and it will make the sound. Yes? So now you all are going to pretend to be a puppy. Okay? Pretend to be an angry puppy. And this puppy is going to pull a rag. Pull a rag. Yes? And move your head from side to side. So have you all seen a puppy shaking its head? So here goes the rhyme. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. So what is the sound for letter R? Yes. Yes, let's learn the words that begins with R. That is R sound. Rabbit. Ring. Rainbow. Rocket. Rabbit. Ring. Rainbow. Rocket. Yes? So you are all able to feel the sound of R. Rabbit. Rainbow. Ring. Rocket. Bread. Bread. Crown. Crown. Dragon. Dragon. Printer. Printer. Train. Train. Next, spider. 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 It's actually not spider. You have to pronounce it as spider. Spider. R sound at the end of the word. Spider. Feather. Feather. To make it clear, I am pronouncing it as feather. But it's actually feather. Hammer. Hammer. tiger, tiger. So you're able to find out the r sound in the middle of the word, in the end of the word. Bread, bread. Crown, crown. Dragon, dragon. Printer, printer. Train, train. Spider, spider. Feather, feather. Hammer, hammer. Tiger, tiger. So, can you give me some more words?
And rose.
Give me the answers in the chat box. Yes, some more words. Red, very good. Then, words with r sound, with the letter R. Only red, rocket. Only Meenakshi is giving. She is only listening. Yes, now I am getting answers. Rain, wrong. Rider, crown, rose. Reindeer, very good. Cry, rabbit. Train, rocket, rat, rainbow, rope. Word, very good. Try, Rakesh, okay, right. Worry. Superb children. Right, tiger, read, feather, row. Very good, very good. Roar, hair, crown, reed, round, hair, rice, sparrow, cracker, car, ear. Very good, very good. Road. Superb children, super, very good. Hope you all understood the sound for letter R. Here, rich. Very good, ma. Very good. Printer, printer. See, a few words when we have this letter R, do not stress it more. Spider. R as in spider. We have the sound of R, but we are not stressing it more. Spider, spider. There's a difference. The stress should not be more. Hammer, powder, feather, shower. Very good, very good. Okay. So now, Kanitra. Okay. Dragon, counter. Very good, ma. Very good. Okay. So now let's move to a small reading comprehension. A small reading comprehension. So ma'am will read a small comprehension for you all. I want you all to listen. So here we have questions for this. You're going to give the answer. Okay. Larry the frog. Larry the frog. Larry is a frog. Larry is a frog. Larry is green with brown spots. Larry is green with brown spots. He loves to play in the pond. He loves to play in the pond. Sometimes Larry catches flies. Sometimes Larry catches flies. He likes to eat flies for dinner. He likes to eat flies for dinner. After Larry catches flies, he hops around the pond. He hops around the pond. I'll read the story one more time. Listen carefully. I will ask questions from this. Here we have few questions. Okay, you're all going to give the answers. Larry the frog. Larry is a frog. Larry is green with brown spots. He loves to play in the pond. Sometimes Larry catches flies. He likes to eat flies for dinner. After Larry catches flies, he hops around the pond. He hops around the pond. Okay, children. So here we go with the questions. The first question: what is a Larry? What is a Larry?
Man is Larry is a frog.
Very good. Larry is a frog. Start with a capital letter, end with a full stop. Second question: what color is Larry?
Green.
Color is
Green.
very good.
Green.
Larry is green with brown spots.
Green with brown.
Very good, very good.
Brown man.
Very good. Okay, now we'll go with the third question. Where does Larry love to play? Give the answers in the chat box. Give the answers in the chat box. Larry loves to play in the pond. Very good. But you all are so excited to give the answers. I can understand. But kindly come in the chat box, ma. Kindly come in the chat box. Mute all your mics. Answers in the chat box. If you are going to unmute, then I will not continue the session. You're all very good children, I know. You all will listen to me. Very good. Okay, so now Larry loves to play in the pond. Very good, ma. You all are giving the answers in a sentence. Nice to hear that. Superb. Okay, the fourth question. What does Larry catch? What does who is that again? Unmuting and giving the answer. Come in the chat box. Come in the chat box. I'm seeing the chat box. Yes. Larry
Ma'am, chat box is working.
catches.
Not working, ma'am.
Larry catches flies. Larry catches flies. F-L-I-E-S. Flies. Okay. The fifth question. What does Larry like to eat for dinner? What does Larry like to eat for dinner?
Ma'am, chat box is
Larry, kindly check your network if chat box is not working. Do not unmute.
Larry likes to eat
Larry likes to eat
flies. Flies for dinner.
dinner.
Ma'am, E and F. You don't want the class to be continued? You're all good children, right? Ma'am is telling you 2 times to 3 times. She's told you that to come give the answers through the chat. Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
Yes. Thank you, Jaya ma'am. Okay. Larry likes to eat flies for dinner. Okay, the sixth question, the last question. What does Larry do? What does Larry do after he catches flies? Very good. He hops around the pond. Oh, you all listen to the passage. That is why you all are giving answers immediately. Superb. Superb, children. Yes. Very good. So now we are done with this reading comprehension. Okay. So hope you all clear with this letter R. So R makes the sound rrr, rrr, rrr. Okay. So now we'll see the letter M. M. So M makes the sound. Repeat after me. So keep the hand on your tummy and rub your tummy. Rub your tummy. Seeing tasty food. See, when we have some tasty food, not the delicious food in front of us, what we will say? We will say, right? So this is the sound and the action. So here goes the rhyme for letter M. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Yummy. So let's go. Let's see some words. M. M is for mongoose, monkey, mouse, mosquito, monster, moray eel, moray eel. It's a kind of eel, water animal. Morning, money. So M is for mongoose, monkey, mouse, mosquito, monster, moray eel, morning, honey. Yeah, here we have the sound at the end of the word, beginning of the word and in the middle of the word. Here we have few words. Arm, arm. It's ending with sound. Mushrooms, mushrooms. Starting with sound and ending with sound. Mushrooms. Umbrella, umbrella. Lamp, lamp. Swimming, middle of the word. Sound in the middle of the word. Swimming. Mirror, mirror. Arm, mushrooms, umbrella, lamp, swimming, mirror. Yes. So here we have a small activity. Highlight the words that begin with the letter M. That begin with the letter M. See the pictures. We have few pictures given here, right? So we are going to pick only the pictures with sound. Okay. Moon. Tortoise is having sound? No. Orange is having sound? No. The next one is mug. Mug. Mirror. Mouse. Mitten. Hat. Hat is having sound? No.
Ma'am, this is brought the book, ma'am.
This is not in the book, Anna. This is just an activity which I am telling you for the to have a clarity on the sound. That's it. Okay, this is just an activity. It is not in any book.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So here let's search the words moon. Moon. Here we have the word moon. And the next one is mug. Yes, here we go with the word mug. And the next one, mirror. Mirror. And the next one, mouse. The next one,
Mom,
mitten.
Mom, Mom,
Mirror, mouse, mitten, moon.
Ma'am.
Yes, mat is also having sound. Mat.
Yes. Mom.
Very good, very good. Okay. So now we are done with this activity. So here we have few sentences. I can read the letter M. I can read the letter M. So let me read the sentences for you. I make cookies. I make cookies. Make. Make. Go sing with me. Go sing with me. My hair is brown. My hair is brown. Next sentence. Many people swim. Many people swim. Many swim. The morning has sun. The morning has sun. Morning. My mother runs fast. My mother runs fast.
Mom, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Just, now it's clear? Okay. Yes, yes. So here we have a small, we have a small story. It will be very nice. I want you all to listen to it.
Mom's screen is black.
My mom. Kindly check your network. My mom. The name of the story is My Mom. It's all about mom. I see my mom all the time. I see my mom all the time. I see her in the morning. I see her in the morning. I see her at every meal.
so loud visible.
I see her at every meal. I may see her most the time. I may see her most the time, but I still miss her. But I still miss her. She walks up mountains with me. She looks at the moon with me. She walks up mountains with me. She looks at the moon with me. She watches monkeys with me. She makes models with me. She does many things with me. But I still want to do more. But I still want to do more. Very nice, isn't it? It is all about mom. We see her all the time. We see her from morning till we go to sleep. We are with our mother only, right? But still, we feel like we miss her. Yes. So we are done with letter R and letter M. So take a storybook and find out as many words as possible for letter R and for letter M. Okay, children? So now we'll go with listening, speaking and reading. Yes, Jayalakshmi ma'am, are you in?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, yes, children, from today we are going to have our LSR listening, reading, and speaking. Okay. So, I want everybody to be present to the session. Fine. So, for each and everything, marks will be given, children. So, I want everybody to join the classes from today onwards. LSR will be done. We may ask you to tell the answer alone, or we may ask you to read out the sentence. Okay. We'll be giving you the options also. Whatever it is, please be ready to give answers or read the sentence. Okay. Are we all ready, children? Are we all ready? Yes, very good. So we'll be calling out in the names in the order, attendance order from E section and F section. Okay, you have to wait for your turn. Other person should not interrupt. The persons who are calling only should unmute yourself and give me the answer. Okay, we will be calling out everybody. Everybody will get a chance. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So we'll one from E and one from F will be called out. So according to the attendance order, everybody will get a chance. Okay. Yes, children. So yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. First, Abhinav Sai from 1E. Abhinav Sai. Abhinav.
Yeah, he's in. Yes, Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav. So now I will read out for you 3 words. You have to tell me which is a noun. Okay? Brother, brother, garden, sad. Which is a noun over here, Abhinav? Noun I'm asking. Brother. Noun means what? Naming. Naming words. Brother, garden, sad. In this three, which is a noun?
Brother and garden.
Ah, very good, Abhinav Sai. Super. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Next one, ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav, thank you. Here's a star for you. So the next person, Arshad from 1F. Arshad. Arshad.
Ma'am, Shanam.
Are you Arshad?
Only according to the attendance, we will be calling out the names.
I think Arshad is not in. Okay,
Okay.
next, Avanishwar from 1F.
Avanishwar. Ah, very good, Avanishwar. So, Avanishwar, let me read out the words for you. Run, piano, cat. Which is a noun over here? Run, piano. Oh, wow. Very good, Avanishwar. Superb, superb. Very good.
Very good. That's a star for you.
Yes.
Cat.
Yeah, the next. Children, I think I am very clear. Ma'am has told you very clearly. Right? We are calling in attendance order. Kindly wait for your turn. We will be calling everyone. We will not miss out anyone.
Otherwise, if one also interrupts, no LSR for E and F section.
Yes.
I know you are all a good children. You know the answers. Wait for your turn is very, very important. Okay? We have learnt many character education children in all those. What points we have learnt? Repeatedly we have learnt about waiting for our turn. Waiting for our turn. Good. Next one.
Harshan. Harshan from 1E.
Okay, no, he's not there. Next one.
Okay. Yeah, then Jay.
J from 1E. J. VJ.
Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, Jay. Yes, Jay. Now let me read out the words for you. Tell me which is a noun, okay? Pears, green, pizza.
Cat pizza.
Very good, very good. Chair and pizza are nouns. Exactly. Super, Jay. Star for you.
Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Welcome, Dakana. Next, ma'am.
Next, Darshan D from 1F.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Darshan.
Shayan,
Darshan.
kindly mute your mic, Shayan. I will call your name when your turn comes.
Okay, ma'am.
Darshan.
Called Darshan.
Yes, the Darshan is there, ma'am. Darshan, let me read out the words for you, Dakana. Flowers, Sarah, friend. Which is a noun over here?
Ma'am, Sarah.
Flowers, Sarah. Okay, very good, very good. Superb, ma. Superb.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, baby. Darshan. Yes, next, ma'am.
Jai Krishna.
Yes, Jai Krishna from 1E. Jai Krishna, you're in? Okay, ma'am. You can call out the next.
Krishiv.
Yes, Krisha from 1E.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krisha, let me read out the words for you. Tell me which is a noun. Sit, fast, table. Which word is a noun?
Peppers. Sit on the table.
Sit is a noun. Sitting is an action, right?
Fast and the table.
Okay. Which is a noun over here?
Fast and the table.
Die. Fast is expressing a word. So table is a noun, okay? But table answer is correct. Very good, Krisha. Very good. Superb try. Very nice. Yes. Yes, ma'am. The next one.
Yeah. Gopi Kishan from 1F.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, ma. Okay, Kishan, can you read out the first sentence?
சொல்லு பாட்டி
ரீட் பண்ணு
Read out, ma.
சொல்லுடா
Parents don't.
நீங்க செய்ய சொன்னது
Gopi Kishan, come on. We
நீங்க
are
செய்ய
waiting
சொன்னது
for you.
சொல்லு This சத்தமா சொல்லு
Teach.
This
திஸ்
This.
Mm.
இது.
Is.
Mm.
Why.
My
Mm.
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 Does.
Mm.
Okay, dash. Okay. So look at the picture. What is that?
Cat.
So this is my. What? This is my.
Man.
Very good, Kana. Very good. Yes, ma. Superb.
Star Gopi Kishan.
Gopi Kishan. Superb. Next one.
Yeah. Next, Lingesh from Mani.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Lingesh is not there.
Is not there. Okay.
Hmm.
Shayan from Mani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you the option. I'll read out the second sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the second one, ma. And give me the answer. Ryan Teresa, kindly mute yourself, ma'am. I want only Shayan to unmute. Yes, Shayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the second sentence. Second one.
I like to
Hmm.
eat
I like to eat dash.
pizza.
Pizza. Very good.
Good.
Hmm.
Here's a star for you, Shayan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yeah, next Jaganvel from 1F. Jaganvel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read the third one, ma, and give me the answer, Jaganvel. Read the third sentence.
P. Pet. IS.
Hmm?
My.
These are the sentences.
I.
PET. What is that PET? Now, my pet.
Yes. Very good.
Yes.
So my pet is a. What is that picture?
My pet is a.
Child.
Very good.
Very good. Yeah.
Very good, ma. Okay, so next Monish M from Annie. M Monish. Here's a star for you, Jaganvel. Very good, ma.
Monish is not there, I believe, ma'am. You can carry.
Okay, okay. Naresh M. Naresh from Oni.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read the fourth one, ma.
Fourth read pan.
Fourth one.
I.
Mm. Mm.
Play.
Play. What is it? Okay, shall I give you the options?
Options.
Okay, I play the dash. Run, piano. Which one is correct? Run or piano? I play the dash. Run or piano?
Piano.
Very good.
Piano.
Yes. Monica, yes.
Naresh.
Piano.
Naresh, I play the dash, ma. Run or piano?
Very good. Very good. Piano is very-
Very good. Very good, Naresh. Here's a star for you, ma.
Yes, we'll start with Ryan. Sorry, we'll start with Naresh. Ma'am, we'll stop with Naresh. It's time up.
Yeah, okay.
So, the next class for English session, everybody should be presented, children. Okay? We'll be calling you for the LSR. Okay? So, this is a grammar revision also. Okay? Very good day. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.